We have made it all the way to day 6. So go ahead, round of applause. All right. So today on day 6, we are going to be writing to a letter to our current self, who we are today. Donald Lawrence and the Tri-City Singers, they have a song called Encourage Yourself, right? These are the lyrics, some of the lyrics. Sometimes you have to encourage yourself. Sometimes you have to speak victory during the test. And no matter how you feel, speak the word and you will be healed. Speak over yourself, encourage yourself in the Lord. So I wanted to start with that song because that is exactly what this letter is all about. It's about encouraging yourself. Oftentimes, we are so we're either looking forward or we're looking backwards, and we don't take a moment to just to be still and see what's happening around us, appreciate and celebrate where we are right now. If we look in hindsight and we think about how far we've come, we have so much to be proud of. We have so much to be thankful for. So, what are the things you've accomplished today, this week, in this moment? What are you most proud of, right? What's going on in your life right now? And is there an area in your life where you might need some support or some relief? I want you to write that letter. I want you to identify that emotion. I want you to put some words to that because it's so, so, so important for us to encourage ourselves. Oftentimes, believe it or not, we wait for others to celebrate us, to pat us on the back, to give us an applause, but we have the ability to cheer for ourselves, to be encouraging and inspiring to ourselves. So that is what this letter is all about. Go ahead and give yourself a round of applause because guess what? You deserve it. All right. So day 6 down. We're almost a weekend, y'all. So good luck. Have fun today. Cheer for yourself, encourage yourself. And I will talk to you on tomorrow.